Welcome to my channel Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to help people make money online and where I share the latest side hustles. I publish daily videos on this channel to help individuals like yourself in becoming online creators and earning money online. In today's video, I'll share 5 ways how you can make money online today by ChatGPT you may not have heard before. If don't know, ChatGPT is a new AI software that can perform a variety of tasks and is a good tool for automation. It's fantastic that ChatGPT is now free to use and has recently generated a great deal of interest from online creators. Why not learn how to make money through ChatGPT? Online creators are currently earning money with ChatGPT, and you can do the same. In this video, I'll discuss 4 ways to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is capable of writing articles, responding to inquiries, and even writing code to develop simple software applications. It completes these tasks more quickly than a human would. As it is free and generates original content, ChatGPT has quickly gained popularity. Numerous reviews claim that this AI program is the best they've ever used, and numerous online content creators are already benefiting from it. I will share the most effective methods to earn money online using this great AI tool. Let's get started. I am aware that some individuals do not know how to use ChatGPT effectively. Enter ChatGPT into the open search bar on Google. You will then be redirected to a dashboard where you can register and log in. ChatGPT will provide you with relevant, original content if you input anything or pose a question. First is freelancing. Some independent freelancers may fear that ChatGPT and AI automation will replace them. In reality, the answer is no. If businesses use ChatGPT effectively, they will be able to earn more money than ever before due to their ability to rapidly produce and share content to clients. Freelancers create content for websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. This is not necessary because ChatGPT can perform the labor-intensive task and facilitate their work. This is an excellent tool that can help independent freelancers earn more money than ever before. You must keep in mind, however, that ChatGPT is merely a content creation tool that will require your final review. Second is YouTube automation. This business method requires creating a faceless YouTube channel where you don't need to show your face on camera. The videos are produced with the aid of voiceovers, background music, and stock footage. The upload of the video will be associated with the channel's niche. The channel's owner will continue to upload videos until the channel becomes monetized and begin earning from advertisements and sponsorships. As the video script is being written, ChatGPT comes into play. Regardless of the niche, ChatGPT can help creators create video scripts that will receive many views. With the power of YouTube advertisements, online creators may earn a substantial amount of money. Actually, I'm expanding 2 faceless channels. You can subscribe and remain tuned for more updates on the progress of these channels. Affiliate marketing is the third method. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest business models to start and generate revenue from affiliate commissions. Affiliate marketing is a method for earning money through the sale of other people's products. You make an affiliate commission when a consumer clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the item. The commission rates for affiliate networks have already been determined, so individuals can see how much they will earn in commissions in advance. Affiliate marketers can use ChatGPT as they see appropriate to promote their products and services. For example, you could use ChatGPT to promote your products on blogs, YouTube, and Google. For Google Ads or any other advertising network, you will need a landing page with content. Choose a niche to get started, and ChatGPT will create content in that area. A number of affiliate marketers are already using ChatGPT. ClickBank is one of my preferred affiliate networks, and I use it for making money online-related affiliate products. ChatGPT may not always be free, so begin using it immediately before it becomes a paid service. Similarly, numerous online creators use ChatGPT to compose comprehensive product reviews and descriptions. ChatGPT is capable of undertaking increasingly difficult tasks. You cannot submit a comprehensive review with many other programs, but you can with ChatGPT. Because the AI will perform the manual task, merchants who evaluate products from Amazon and other retailers will benefit. Using affiliate programs to profit from the ChatGPT product reviews you write can increase your income as an online content creator. The fourth one is quite interesting. It involves the free traffic source Quora. This strategy can be implemented on the Quora platform if you wish to generate a high amount of traffic. Since Quora is a question and answer website, its monthly traffic is of high quality. This suggests that Quora users have a problem and are searching for a solution. When marketers use Quora, they frequently receive high-quality leads and can even conclude transactions on the platform. Each day, you must answer as many queries as possible to earn money on Quora. Some individuals find this approach tedious, so they employ writers to help them respond to as many inquiries as possible. Using ChatGPT, you will be able to respond to multiple Quora queries and increase traffic to your websites and affiliate products, resulting in increased sales. Affiliate marketing is immensely successful and lucrative on Quora. You do not need a large Quora following to begin earning money online with ChatGPT. The fifth method is blog posting. It is possible to make money as a blogger, but few creators make the effort to write and follow other SEO best practices in order to rank highly on Google. In addition, they obtain the necessary traffic to monetize their content through advertisements and sponsored content. Consistency in writing can be quite difficult. The creation of AI article writers has facilitated blogging. Some of these AI authors are asking for as much as $100 per month in earnings. As a result, numerous bloggers have begun using the free ChatGPT. Creators like ChatGPT because it performs its intended function effectively. This should not alarm freelancers, as AI will never be able to execute human-level tasks. It is unlikely to have a significant impact on independent contractors. ChatGPT is not a term that is common knowledge on the internet. You can use it as one of the first online creators. I will include a link in the following description. So guys, we have reached the end of the video. Please subscribe and like the video for additional videos on how to make money with ChatGPT online.